Welcome back to the channel. Today, we will bring you the huge machines, known as the iron monsters in the industry. Once used, the productivity is unquestionable, and the price to pay is also quite painful. So what are the remaining machines? What are their shapes and capacities? You have to watch the whole video. The 9 largest giant machines in the world for you to admire. 1. Kunlun, the steel monster. The only one of its kind in the world, Kunlun is China's giant in the construction industry, the country renowned for its impressive bridges like the Nanjing and Tianjin bridges. How do they build such enormous bridges? The secret lies in their machinery, and Kunlun is the masterpiece. With a length of 40 meters, a height of 9.3 meters, and a weight of 967 tons, Kunlun can lift and transport bridge beams weighing up to 1,000 tons. The process begins with it transporting beams from the edge of the bridge to their installation position, where they are connected to preset columns. Then, using a pneumatic structure, the machine is anchored to the first column and gradually moves towards the second column, continuing until completion. Notably, it is designed to adapt to extreme weather conditions, from -2 degrees Celsius to 40 to 50 degrees Celsius, and operates smoothly even in winds up to level 7 and 11 when inactive. Equipped with laser radar sensors, it automatically adjusts parameters according to lighting and air conditions, correcting any misalignments during construction. Kunlun is estimated to save around 20% in construction costs and speed up the assembly process by 25%. In June 2020, it was deployed to build the 15 km Meiju Bridge, part of a 277.8 km high-speed rail line with an investment of $7.25 billion, approximately 184.5 trillion VND. This project posed numerous challenges due to complex geological conditions, strong winds, and extreme temperature fluctuations, but only Kunlun could handle it. 2. NASA's Rocket Transporter. Ever wondered how rockets are transported? Meet the Grower Transporter 2, used to transport rockets to launch pads and deliver space shuttles and spacecraft. It was officially recognized by the Guinness World Records as the heaviest self-propelled vehicle in the world. Weighing in at 3,300 tons, this vehicle is equivalent to 1,000 pickup trucks or 15 statues of the Statue of Liberty. Standing at 8 meters tall, it can carry up to 9,000 tons. On January 18, 2022, it was used to transport the world's most powerful rocket, the SLS, over a distance of 6 kilometers to the launch pad. Due to its immense weight, it moves at a speed of just 1.6 kilometers per hour, taking approximately 10 hours to reach its destination. Its mission didn't end there. It also supported the Artemis II mission, sending astronauts to the moon for the first time in over 50 years. This is an improved version of its predecessor, with a length of 40 meters, width of 35 meters, and a maximum load of 6,000 tons. It uses 16 engines and 30 operators, burning nearly 300 liters of diesel per kilometer. The price tag for this powerhouse is $14 million, approximately 356 billion VND. 3. The biggest airplane in history, Antonov An-225 Mriya. Have you ever seen the largest airplane in human history? This is what it looks like, the Antonov An-225 Mriya. It's not just a regular cargo plane, it was designed to carry spacecraft. With a wingspan of 88 meters, it is so large that when parked, it resembles a giant mother bird with a flock of chicks nearby. Its size is so massive that even airplane hangars can't accommodate its full length, and it even struggled to fit in hangars during its inaugural ceremony. Its takeoff weight is 710 tons, and it can carry 250 tons of cargo, equivalent to 16 containers or 80 cars. In November 2004, the International Air Transport Association recognized the An-225 with 240 world records, helping Antonov Airlines to gain worldwide fame. On June 11, 2010, it transported the longest cargo ever in aviation history, a pair of wind turbine blades, 42.1 meters long, from Tianjin, China to Skagen, Denmark. Earlier, on September 11, 2001, it flew 5 main battle tanks, each weighing 50 tons, to an altitude of 10,750 meters, covering a distance of 1,000 kilometers. Continuing its legacy, on August 11, 2009, it carried a power generator for a gas power plant in Armenia. However, operating this giant is expensive, consuming over 20 tons of fuel per hour, equivalent to 170 million VND, making it a rare and costly tool. 4. The biggest tractor in the world, Big Bud 16V747. The Big Bud 16V747, the world's largest tractor, was created in 1977 in Montana, USA. Weighing 48 tons and with 1100 horsepower, it's used to pull large trees and plow deep fields on large farms. The machine measures 8.5 meters long, 6.4 meters wide, and 4.3 meters tall. What makes it unique is its tires, which have a diameter of 2.4 meters. These tires are the largest agricultural tires in the world, and they lasted for 43 years before being replaced in 2020 with 8 new Goodyear LSW 1400/35 or 46 tires, costing $300,000, about 7.6 billion VND. Its engine uses a 16V92T diesel engine, with full features like air conditioning, heaters, and even a seat that hugs you. If you're into machinery, rate this beast's reliability and see if it's worth the investment. 5. Underwater crane, the new record setter. Gone are the days of using cranes on land. Now, we have the underwater crane that holds a new world record for lifting 20,000 tons. This is no small feat. The record-breaking crane, known as SSCVSL, is named after the 8-legged horse that Odin rides in Norse mythology. Launched in 2019 and built in Singapore, this crane is the largest of its kind in the world, succeeding its predecessor, the SSCVTR. Unlike typical cranes, it operates on water. The ship features 2 rotating cranes, each with a lifting capacity of 10,000 tons, working simultaneously to lift a combined 20,000 tons, equivalent to 20,000 cars. The ship's deck spans 220 meters in length and 102 meters in width. When fully extended, the cranes can reach a height of 220 meters, 20 meters taller than the 55-story Marina Bay Sands Tower. The ship is also equipped with the world's largest bearing system, with a 30-meter diameter, and supported by 8 stabilizing columns with floating pontoons to minimize water resistance. 6. China's giant oil rig, the Whale Killer. China's massive oil drilling rig, known as Lamkin Whale Killer, can drill to depths of 15,000 meters and extract 14 million tons of oil per day, withstanding storms up to level 12. Unveiled to great fanfare, this rig is 118 meters tall, equivalent to a 30 to 40-story building, and weighs 42,000 tons. With its enormous size, it operates in waters up to 3,658 meters deep and can drill to depths of 15,250 meters, making it capable of operating in some of the most challenging oil fields globally. The rig is equipped with 370 large steel pipes, each several meters long, and a total cable length of 1,200 kilometers. Its cost is about $700 million or 17.8 trillion VND, and up to buy 14,990 bulls of the world's most expensive foe, each priced at 120 million VND. The rig also uses 5G technology for remote control, and its dynamic positioning system can withstand level 12 storms without shifting more than 11 meters. Its accuracy is within 2 degrees, making it a technological marvel. 7. Giant mud suctioning ship, Queen of the Netherlands. The Queen of the Netherlands, a colossal mud suctioning vessel from the Netherlands, has amazed the world with its size and power. With a weight of nearly 60,000 tons, this 230.4-meter long ship has a width of 32 meters. Its dredging pipes are 6 meters wide and can dig as deep as 55 to 160 meters, making it the largest dredging vessel in the world. The ship is designed to extract various materials such as clay, mud, sand, and stones, and has been used for many projects around the world, including in the Netherlands, Singapore, China, and South Korea. 8. Batuta, a giant sand suction ship. The Batuta is another giant ship designed for suctioning sand and mud from the sea. With a length of 138.5 meters and a width of 26 meters, it weighs 8,626 tons. This ship is a combination of several advanced machines, tasked with extracting sand from the seabed and pumping it onto barges for transport. Each day, the Batuta can fill 50 barges, each carrying 2,500 tons of earth. The ship is part of the mega-project Formosa in Vietnam, where it works with a crew of 41, including 15 Vietnamese workers. 9. The largest conveyor bridge in the world, the F-60. The F-60, a massive coal conveyor bridge produced in Germany, is the largest of its kind in the world. Standing 60 meters tall and spanning over half a kilometer, This bridge is supported by 760 wheels and weighs a staggering 13,600 tons. It is one of the heaviest land-based vehicles ever created, second only to the BG-293, a giant bucket wheel excavator weighing 14,200 tons. The F-60 operates at a maximum capacity of 29,000 cubic meters per hour, equivalent to about 50,000 tons of earth and stone. This is roughly the volume of a football field, 7 to 8 meters deep, meaning in just 1 hour, it can completely remove the earth from an entire field. The power and creativity of human engineering are truly limitless. These massive machines, from excavators and cranes to drilling rigs and ships, demonstrate the incredible feats we can achieve. Which of these machines impresses you the most? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating videos.